Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 5th class science and your science teacher from United Public School, Thandoor. Students, in our previous sessions we start our 4th unit rocks and minerals. So students, in our previous session we have completed and discussed about some topics. Okay, and let's see and complete the remaining topics and discuss about it. So students, in our previous class we discussed about what is sedimentary rocks and some examples of sedimentary rocks like conglomerate. Okay na? So students, today we are discussing about sandstone. Okay, when layers of sand grains harden, they form sandstone. So students, when the sandstone form, yes, when layers of sand grains harden, so then they form sandstone. Okay, it may be red, brown, pink or yellow. So students, the sandstone colors are maybe red, brown or pink or yellow. Okay, we use sandstone to make buildings. The walls of the Red Fort in Delhi are built with red sandstone. So students, when we use the sandstone, yes, we use this sandstone to make building, and the Red Fort of Delhi are built with this sandstone. Okay, so students, here you can see the shape of the sandstone is like that. Here you can see on your screen. So we use this sandstone to make buildings, and also the Red Fort is built with this sandstone. Okay. Next, see shale. When layers of clay and mud particles harden, they form shale. We mostly use shale to make tiles and bricks. So students, when the shales are formed, yes, the shales are formed when the mud particles harden. So then they form shale. Okay. So students, here you can see in this picture the shale like this. Okay. And students, when we use this shale, yes, we use this shale to make tiles and bricks. Okay. So students, we use this shale to make tiles and also bricks. Okay. Next is limestone. Okay. Many sea animals have hard shells that protect their body. Yes, students, whenever you observe that the seashell is found in the seas, so many sea animals have hard shells that protect their body. Okay. These shells contain a mineral called calcite. When these animals die, their shells settle on the seabed and form a layer. So students, how the limestone will be formed? Yes, when the sea animals will be die. Okay. So when they are die, the shells settle on the seabed. Seabed means the floor of the sea or ocean is called seabed. So students, what do you mean by seabed? Yes, the floor of the sea or ocean is called seabed. Okay. So then the shells will be settled on the floor of the seas. Okay, from a layer. Over the years, the layers of shells form limestone. Chalk is a type of limestone. We use limestone to make bricks and cements. So students, after a long time, when the years go, then the shells forms limestone. Okay, and chalk is also a type of limestone. When we use chalk, yes, we use chalk to write on the blackboard now. So this chalk is the type of a limestone. Okay, and we use this limestone to make bricks and cements. Okay, so when we use this limestone, yes, to make bricks and cement, we use this limestone. So students, here you can see in this picture, this is the figure of limestone. Okay, so we use this limestone to make bricks and cements. So students, today's your homework is you have to write how are sedimentary rocks formed. You have to write the answer of this question, how the sedimentary rocks forms. Okay, I will send you the answer in our WhatsApp group. Hope you will understand, students. Thanks for watching. Khuda Hafiz.